So this is my latest, so I'll be a little biased. I like the whole suitcase thing happening here.
Okay.
You know how it is, when you get something new, you want to wear that again and again.
Yeah.
I used to go to Lokhandwala. So if I have to really go bright and tell people that I could do colors.
This is like dopamine dressing.
But I think this is very mama kind of bag. Like every time I...
very Thela core, I
It's
feel.
very, yeah. This is very old. But yeah, I just have memories of this running with me through a lot of good and bad. Expensive, I can say this because the latest collection se maine abhi liya hai.
Okay.
Itna sasta nahi hoga, but हाँ, you can't compare it with the luxury. Sorry, Dadu. I could give up everything but this. Like,
But
this is so precious to me.
Yeah.
This is probably the loudest I have. It has a gold, it's a Versace, it has
You
a
remember
gold,
the
it has
mood I was talking about?
Yeah.
This is the...
So if I wear something which is like an animal print per se, then I am a little conscious. So I like settle it down to a level where you'll be like, thank God she's carrying that bag.
Okay. That's such a gorgeous sunset. I'm so jealous of you. You get to see this every day. But hello everybody, welcome to another episode of HF Rates. This is Daljit Kaur and we are invading her closet today. So what are we up to?
I don't know. What do you want to invade? I'm not sure how much I will allow, but
Yes.
I'm actually excited. I'm very happy to share my space. I've just shifted in this house. It's
Yeah.
not been a long time. And I'm finally, I can say I'm settled. I am, it's a very new beginning for me. So yeah, sure. Come on.
I'm very excited. Chale?
Chalo, let's
Let's
go.
go.
So I have just shifted.
Okay.
Okay, it's barely been about 3 months. You can say the house is still being made. It's like Taj Mahal ban raha hai mera.
धीरे-धीरे.
ban hi raha hai, ek tile by tile.
Yeah.
But yeah, one thing I was very particular was that I wanted a see-through but not completely see-through wardrobe.
Okay.
One even for my son. Because मेरा ना बड़ा simple logic है, like साफ दिखना चाहिए मुझे. Even through and through, I have a little OCD about it.
Little, huh?
So yeah, so hence this wardrobe came along.
Okay.
This I got made from UP. Some very interesting online site I found and they made this for me. So I'm quite happy.
I love how
Yeah.
you've set it so neatly. If my mother is watching, she'd be very disturbed with mine.
I need to say there's a lot of help that goes behind this.
So where are we starting from?
Anything. We could
Okay.
start with this. I'm a very one piece, just slip it in and
Easy
just
to
go.
wear.
Yeah, easy.
But
I'm a-
summer's coming, so I think that's a perfect wardrobe to have.
Agreed.
है ना?
Like light, beigeish. I'm like a sucker for black, which
Okay.
becomes a problem because every time I'm looking, they might have 100 colors. It ends up being
Black
black.
ही चाहिए.
Black ends up being it. So कई सारे तो से merge हो जाएंगे क्योंकि सब black है. So this is a very boho dress,
Okay.
which I feel kind of fits me very well. It's a little dressy for me. So very comfortable.
I love how
Again,
it has a denim vibe to it.
It does, right?
Yeah.
It's little dressy for me. Yeah, but I like the whole, like this work is very boho, very
Yeah.
very interesting.
The fringes are very cool.
Yeah, and it's not too much.
Yes.
Like, again, I don't like to try and look young, so I have to, I like to dress my age. I like to wear whatever suits my age, and I love flaunting my age.
Definitely.
Though it's,
But you brought this point. I want to ask
Yeah.
you this one thing. Being in the public eye is actually such a tedious process also.
it
है ना?
is, yeah.
So has your fashion evolved from the time that you entered the industry, and where does it stand now?
I think I'm exactly the same. I was desi then, I'm
Okay.
very desi now, and I love that.
Yeah.
I have grown in age and experience. I'm a mother today and I love flaunting it. My fashion, I think I was always a very let's be comfortable, let's wear cotton, kahin bhi baithna hai to baith jao types. you
Yeah.
know. So I like you see most of my dresses will kind of reflect that. Like I have, again, this
You
is
love a
like
lot of A-lines also.
I do.
है ना?
And I think these kind of,
Very
again,
cute.
like the neck is very pretty. Yeah, it's little deep, but it's nice.
Very cute.
Again, this is again very wearable.
Yeah.
You can wear it you can wear it for a nice fine and dine also.
Yeah.
At the same time, if I have to just go and meet a friend,
Like an off-duty look with like sneakers on.
Yeah, oh yeah, 100%. So I like comfort, but of course I do have a sense of strong fashion that I like.
Okay.
So this again is like very summery.
This is so.
But
This
this
is
is
like a
like-
cruise dress.
It is, and
Yeah.
it is so comfortable. At the same time, I love the fit. It kind of fits the body really, really well, and it's very summer for me.
It's beautiful. I love
Isn't
the
it?
pinstripe on it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where do you usually shop from, or do you like physical?
Anywhere, everywhere, but I am very picky about what is touching my body.
Okay.
I can't do synthetic. I can't do mixed clothes or whatever. Like it has to be pure. If you're giving me a cotton, no problem, but give me a pure cotton.
Pure cotton.
I'll look at the dress, I like it, but then I'll go into details of what is made of, like what it is, you know.
Yeah.
Because those things also make a difference in fitting.
Yes.
The moment you get a mixed something or some mixed threads,
Yes.
it'll be either stiff or it won't fall correctly.
It hampers the silhouette. Yes.
It does. But then again, like this is for me,
This is so cute. I see.
Yeah.
Either there's a lot of black or there's a lot of white.
I don't know, it's very subconscious. Like I
Yeah.
wouldn't even realize, but I'll pick up a white. Like, this is for me very party.
Very cute.
But again, like if you touch it, it's
Yes.
very like
No, I get a sense of your love for fabrics.
yeah.
Yeah.
थोड़े aesthetics इन चीजों में थोड़े strong है.
Okay.
But yeah, like I
So do you also hit spots like in Bombay? Are you somebody who would hit the streets for shopping?
absolutely.
Yeah. What are your favorite spots in Bombay?
So when I used to stay in suburbs, when I used to do a lot of shoots
Yeah.
there, I used to go to Lokhandwala. So yeah, so more or less, so if I have to really go bright and tell people that I could do colors,
This is like dopamine dressing. जो
This
बहुत
is-
upset
this
feel हो
is-
रहा है. So just like throw on a dark color and
Yeah.
you feel happy.
yeah, so this is a very summer,
Yes.
let's go to
pretty.
Bali, let's go to Maldives or like whatever, when you're traveling.
Yeah.
So this is that, I love the back. So this is my going bright zone.
Okay.
Yeah. So most of them will be more or less the same. Yeah, go ahead, take it out.
Okay.
That is again, yeah, very. But see, the pinks also will be very easy to your eye.
Yeah. It's not like the chatak pink that we
Yeah.
see. So
Yeah.
pretty.
With a very cute slit, very comfy.
I see you
Yeah.
have like a romantic thing for drawstring.
Yeah, I think the way it falls and all kind of speaks for itself.
Yeah.
So it does kind of come together, and I like the slit in this. It really fits well, and see, it has a nice side
Yeah.
kind of strings on it.
It's
You know,
so-
also it कभी लूज करना है बहुत ज्यादा पार्टी कर ली तो लूज कर
Loose
लो.
कर लो.
That's the memory I have of this कि पहले तो बड़े टाइट वाइट गए, थोड़ा सा लूज कर लिया, थोड़ा सा लूज कर लिया, फिर बैठ गए.
But this is actually a good hack. Lovely.
So yeah.
So tell me, what was the most tedious task back then when you used to do like red carpets, like every now and then?
Yeah.
What was that one thing you used to dread about? कि यार ये अब नहीं होगा मुझसे.
यार कई बार क्या होता है, तो designers are really kind and they have the time and they kind of come on your set, take your fittings. Very lately I realized television doesn't have time. They are not planned
Yeah.
anymore. It's very कल है, बस आज करना है, आपको कल पहुंचना ही है. It's very last moment. And then the designers, like, I've thankfully seen the era of television where we were given that kind of time.
Yes.
We were given selections, ideas. We could come up with something, and they would actually make it according to you. Now it's ये है, इनमें से आप कुछ पहन लो. Because sometimes, you know, if they've lost time, then you're just kind of fitting into something which is tight here. You're not comfortable, and I do not like being uncomfortable. My fashion cannot be uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable.
So yeah, this is one of them.
Okay.
Then here,
Moving on.
I'll probably just open one. 'Cause
Okay.
This could be a little controversial.
Got it.
But yeah, so this is again. So these are. So I'm a fan of a brand called Ted Baker. if
I
you've
know.
heard.
Yes.
I'm wearing one.
Okay.
I'm taking out one. Again, because of the touch. My God, just touch it.
Wow.
You can never undo
Yes.
this feeling.
Yeah.
So inside out, when you wear it,
Yeah.
it just flows. It just stays, you know. And
The material is also so good. It's like a very luxurious feel on the body.
It is. It is. So this is one of my very favorite brands.
Okay.
But this is one of my online shopping.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, it's an off shoulder
We note a white outfit.
and a lot of black.
Yeah.
So this is like, it's a very off shoulder thing. I don't think it's pressed well, but yeah.
Oh, I love the
nice.
fabric clash that is happening. Yeah.
So it is this and this, but it comes together really well. It's a very asymmetrical. Okay, this
Wow.
is a little formal. Honest, I'm not very fond of the touch of this on my sleeves, but I like how it feels inside here.
Yeah, it's like a Georgette.
Yeah. But it's a very lovely fit. By the end of it, it doesn't look like you're wearing a lot of frills.
Yes.
It just falls on it. So it's really nice.
Lovely.
One of my favorites.
And if you pick this dress, what would you style this with?
Probably at least have one of my hair tucked back because it's like all the way here.
Yes.
And if I was little thinner, I would tie my hair.
Okay.
That would be my ideal, and maybe just wear really less jewelry, minimal.
Very dainty.
Yeah, very, and just maybe some solitaire or something, and that's it. Not much.
Very classy.
Because this by itself kind of speaks.
So what's remaining here? I love this one also.
Yeah, so this is again a polka dot. This is also one of my favorites because of the back. The back is really nice.
Oh yeah.
It has
I
a
see
nice...
a pattern happening here, guys. Like
Yeah.
there's A-line and then there's backless. That's
Yeah.
what you love, yeah.
Yeah, I think as long as it's not too much, like because if it's the backless, then it'll end up having like really long sleeves. I kind of match the being sexy at the same time looking very like I have a
You try to
I
strike
try
the
to
balance.
balance it so that आँख सिर्फ एक ही जगह पे ना जाए. So I'm like I
हाँ,
try.
देखो, हाँ भी.
हाँ ठीक है. Like back, of course I like to wear backless
Of
and all that.
course.
But then I would again the styling would be the same. I would like just because the neck actually is दिख नहीं रहा. The neck is quite deep.
Deep. Okay.
Yeah, I think more or less the same. Like this is very formal. Now this is very
This is
me
very
when I go
cool.
to the school. This is me being a mommy,
Parent teacher meeting.
parent teacher, anything. Then I need to look serious and like, okay,
Yeah.
she hasn't arrived. This is me. When I dress up as a parent, I literally have a uniform, blending with the other parents. This is it.
So a little birdie tells me that you are also into bags. और मैं वो देख भी सकती हूँ यहाँ पे.
I know I can't even say not really. It's right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So सुकून से बात करते हैं इसके बारे में.
हाँ, sure. Let's go for it.
चलो.
I'll relive my memories of that also with you. चलो.
चलो. This lovely collection.
Yeah, like it's so whenever I travel, I end up picking up a bag. I think because the kind of discounts you get around the world are actually crazy.
Yeah.
If I have to go to the Geo World here, it will be so expensive. So one definite reason of me buying bags when I come from somewhere is because it's cheaper.
Okay.
Let's just put it on there.
So which is your favorite from the stack right here?
So this is my latest. So I'll be a little biased. I like the whole suitcase thing happening here. So
This is one of the classic pieces actually.
it is. It can never go wrong.
Yeah.
And it does have a longer this thing, but I like just holding it like that. It's
Yeah.
very like let's go, let's finish this job and come back kind of.
Okay.
You know how it is when you get something new, you want to wear that
Wear
again
that.
and again.
Yeah.
So is that.
Okay.
And so these are my travel bags. Obviously, this is Coach, but I need bigger things. Jaden ka bhi saman aayega, mera bhi aayega. So I'm very mother like that.
Like a big tote is good.
Yeah, 100%. This one, then there's a Longchamp here, and this I find little old school.
Can
Like,
we
I'm not-
pick this out?
Yeah, sure. This one I find it's very like my mom time.
Here you go.
Like it's definitely something you can easily.
It's a current favorite obsession.
Really?
Yeah, people are going crazy.
I'm done with it. I think I'm like you can see it's quite worn out, but I think this is very mama kind of bag. Like
yeah,
every time
very thela core.
it's very I know it's a very travel bag,
Yeah.
of course, and it's come very handy
and
with
it's
my
very
long
cool
travels.
also. I feel
It is. It's very
Yeah.
light. This is not my
So वो पीछे
current
जा रहा है
favorite.
थोड़ा. हाँ.
हाँ वो पीछे जा
पीछे
चुका
जा
है.
चुका है. हाँ, I saw.
But yeah, this one I don't mind. But the
Okay.
only disadvantage of this Coach is that it's open. Somebody had to just peep in what's there. It's very easy to.
Yeah.
Now this is why I took this because I needed something little bigger with a zip.
With a zip.
So this and that combined came to this.
Okay.
Because I didn't want something that big. Because
Hmm.
again, now thankfully my son is big enough. I don't have to carry too many things. I can carry my little makeup, little bit of his things. So I can now thankfully have a nicer
Have
looking
like a
bag
sorted
around.
bag now.
Thank God. This is probably the loudest I have. It has a gold. It's a Versace. It has
You
a
remember
gold.
the
it has
mood I was talking about?
Yeah.
This is that. The other spectrum with Diljit
This
is
is-
like, no, I want to
Yeah, but you see how I shrunk
Yeah.
it. Like for me, this is really loud. So I have to really be dressed in absolute black or white. There's nothing popping out of anything. There's no big diamonds happening. Then I can carry this. Otherwise, I'll be like, okay, you know what?
Don't look at this, don't look at this.
I am carrying it, but you know what? Don't look.
But it's actually very cute.
It is.
Animal print is again a classic.
And also, it has a beige. You see,
Yeah,
like it's a very
which
nice beige print, and actually it does come together. Let's be
Yeah.
fair. It's not about brand. It's also I am not a loud person. So if I wear something which is like an animal print per se, then I'm a little conscious. So I like settle it down to a level where you'll be like, thank God she's carrying that bag.
Okay.
Again, this I've used so much. This is again a Coach.
This is right.
I have used this so much.
Yeah.
This is so it comes handy.
It's gorgeous.
It is, right?
Yeah.
And I like the way it kind of falls. See, it doesn't have a straight fall. It'll always kind of have a little like
a
crease.
flap or something.
And there'll always be a crease, which
Yeah.
I really like. The way it kind of falls is really cute.
Lovely.
This was given to me recently by a very wonderful family on Christmas. Yeah,
This
so
is a Steve Madden.
this is Steve Madden.
Hmm.
Yeah. Again, like I think it's very cute because I go without it. It's like a little, like a briefcase that you
Yeah, like
have.
a boss girl. And
It's a very boss girl energy, and also I do a lot of work. I'm kind of starting a brand and stuff, so it comes
Wow.
handy. You're carrying it like you mean it. So this is what my sister gave me. Again, this is very precious to
so
me,
cute.
isn't it? This is like a very carried with Indian, but this is what my sister gave me.
Similar.
I have two
one,
of them.
Two
Yeah.
of them.
Both
yeah.
of them my sister gave me.
Wow.
So she's like, you need to have some Indian bags.
Yeah, I
Because
think
all of them
for
are
ethnic wear
very,
maybe,
yeah,
huh?
all very. So this every time I see, I remember my Goldie Dada. She's the one who got it. She got it from Delhi, and I think this got like really nice stones.
Stone finish, yeah.
Yeah, and also it's actually very practical. Mobile fits, everything fits. You know, sometimes fashion doesn't really kind of cross path with comfort, because especially bags, you need to have your lipstick, your lip gloss, something to fit in.
This is the one. And I want to know from you, in terms of investment, how do you pick your pieces?
See, when you go with an LV or a Gucci, I think again it's something that it's a classic. Never goes wrong with the investment that you make.
Yeah.
Even if I want to sell, if I've kept it in a good condition, you can actually sell it at a very good cost. But the moment you pick a good brand, they will only tell you like what to do with it and the way they service it. So I think it's worth the money. My oldest one is this. It's very old.
Oh,
but it's still there. Yeah, this is a classic piece again. But it's still like, this is very old. But yeah, I just have memories of this running with me through a lot of good and bad.
I know.
Yeah, things that you keep for longer time, and the resale value of this is not bad.
Out of this, I want to know from you which is the most expensive and which is the most sasta bag.
ये बड़ा मुश्किल है. Expensive, I can say this because ये latest collection से मैंने अभी लिया है.
Okay.
Decently expensive.
Okay.
Maybe actually, sorry Dadu, maybe. Because it doesn't really have a brand.
Yeah,
इतना सस्ता नहीं होगा, but you can't compare it with the luxury.
Yeah, but it doesn't demean the style,
not at all.
Not at all. It's precious.
Oh my god, yeah. Like, I genuinely could give up everything but this. Like, this is so precious to me.
Yeah.
But the brand value obviously is higher for sure.
I know you have a little vanity to yourself.
Yeah.
Which has some of your favorite pieces. So let's go there.
Yeah, I like my fragrances.
Let's go.
But that's it. There's nothing more happening in this house.
Nothing more. It's a beautiful vanity, which is in the making.
Still in the making.
Which is your favorite one? Which is like your go-to?
I am so possessive of this grapefruit that I have two, and there's one more there. I have three of them. This is how much I like it. And this particular, it's called grapefruit. This is my night perfume. Like, I only wear it before sleeping.
Oh.
And I love it so much that I'm dreading one day if they discontinue, then what? So I've kind of stocked myself up. And of course I have Tom Ford and whatever you can see, and like my perfumes. And also Victoria's Secret, because you assume it's for all the lingerie, and I think their perfumes are very good.
Very good.
Even this is morning. But again, this is very flowery.
Yeah.
So I like all the flowery things at night. Like, I like to sleep with a very nice aroma around me. Actually, even this one is a very interesting, little strong for my kind of liking. No, if I know that I'm going out for a really long time, like, I do have my miniatures that I like to carry with me.
Oh, I'll see them.
Yeah, there'll be lots of those that I, like, again, this is probably Jabulon. I carry my miniatures with me everywhere.
And there's a Chanel that I see.
There's a Chanel. You see how much I like it. It's like only when required. Only in emergencies.
Do you also have hacks for it to stay longer?
Depends. So I've had this so-called debate with somebody where somebody said you need to apply perfume on your body. And I said, no, I would rather have it on my clothes. Like, I don't want any chemical touching me. Yeah? So I like it on the clothes. So,
which makes a lot of sense. A lot of people do that.
Yeah.
Got it. And also, Diljit, this show is called HF Phrase.
Yeah.
So I can't let you go without giving us something from your closet for your fans.
Yes.
Not for me, guys.
No, please take it. I would. The fact that you've seen my show too, you are very eligible.
Definitely. So let's see.
Should I?
Dress.
Okay, let me get it.
So we finally have the dress.
Yes. This is actually quite close to my heart. This I'd got, I think, when I was in Bali. And I've actually worn it for some really happy occasions of my life. Enjoy, and I hope I get to see who gets it.
Definitely.
Click a picture, show it to me. I would love to see.
So much. I'm gonna wrap this up very nicely and take it home. But thank you so much, Diljit, for letting us invade your closet today. I think it was a fun time. Did you have fun?
I think it was really fun. I was thinking, oh my god, but actually it was really fun. And I think it was great. It was great. I hope you guys had fun.
Definitely.
And do let me know which was your favorite dress.
Yes, tell us in the comments.
I'd like to know that. Yeah, I'll wear it a little more often. I love repeating.
Great. Thank you so much. Till then, sabko bye bol de.
Bye. We are going to go back to enjoying sunset. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.